Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel viewers. In front of me Canon MG5700 series printer, and now I can show you how to prepare fast cleaning feature on this device. So to do it, to fast clean your printer, just open the Embeded Web Server of your device, then find utilities here and find cleaning. Click on it and just click yes and wait a while. Okay, that's it. So you can print the nozzle check pattern, but I will not do it now to save your time. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and bye. See you.